In this video, I'll show you how to add vendors in QuickBooks Online's new interface, so bills, payments, and vendor reporting stay organized from day one. Start from the left menu and open Expenses, then click Vendors to see your vendor directory. If you already have names listed, use the search first to avoid duplicates. Clean naming now prevents messy reports later. To add a new vendor, click New Vendor in the top right and fill in the essentials: vendor name, email, phone, and address, so bills and communications stay consistent. Use the notes area for practical details like preferred payment terms, contact person, or reminders your team should see. If your plan supports online bill pay and you're authorized to store payment details, you can add bank or payment info carefully and double-check it for accuracy. For tax prep, review the section for vendor tax settings and mark 1099 eligibility only when it applies, using the correct legal name and details you have on file. Click Save, and the vendor will appear in your list, ready to use on bills, expenses, and payments. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that keep your bookkeeping simple and accurate.